Welcome to Armed and Dangerous DIY. I have a variety channel where I do lots of different types of projects. I do woodworking projects, welding projects, trailer projects. I do projects for my kids. Sometimes it's a combination of both. I do electrical projects. I explain more complicated approaches. Automotive. Painting. Home improvement. Maintenance. Tips and tricks on everyday tasks. I restore and repair tools. I upgrade tools. I even do projects on vacation. I have a lot of innovative ideas for both product usage and for unique projects that you probably won't see elsewhere on YouTube. I really try to show you an in-depth of how things are done, the tools and the products I use, and the planning that goes into it. I have a vast array of tools at my disposal, and there's not a project that I can't do with the tools that I have. Thanks for checking out my channel, and I hope you subscribe and check out some of the videos I've done. And I always do a Christmas project. Thanks for watching.